reaction.
Hi guys, I just got my curlBOX in the mail. Unfortunately, I already saw some of the stuff on Instagram. I got shocked by curlBOX on Instagram. But I'm going to be unboxing my box today. And you guys are going to see what's inside. So let's get started.
Woohoo! Yay!
Okay, are you ready to see what's in the box?
Yeah!
On the outside of the box, we have a Dr. Miracle's product, Curl Care Soft Hold Cream. And it's made with aloes to soften and improve elasticity as it keeps your curls in place. And it says it helps hold curls for up to 12 hours. It's sulfate and paraben free, excellent for kinky, curly, or wavy hair. We've gotten a lot of Dr. Miracle's products. My first curlBOX was back in October, so I got curlBOX for October, I got curlBOX Natural, and then curlBOX November. So we got kind of 3 boxes in a month, which is awesome. So this is a soft hold cream. It's like a, feels a little watery. The next product we have. What am I supposed to do with this, guys? I see you guys do this in your videos, and I don't know why. Because then, thank you. Okay. On the outside of the box again, another full-size product. The olive oil and mango butter moisturizer, and this is an intensive treatment. And this is for dry ends and preventing breakage. This is my first Elastic QP product. It smells like oranges. And moving right along, let's go inside the box.
Yay!
Now, we have our curlBOX, traditional black box, gold curl, pink box, large letters, and the box on the front. Now I store my boxes, so I have, this is my fourth one. Let's not waste any more time and get right inside. Now, this is what I have been waiting for. Puppy. It's the curlBOX Mag card. And it's Girlish Curls on the cover. For those of you who follow curlBOX or my leak on Instagram, you know that Shari J, Ebony Clark, and Peace Presley did a photo shoot for the December curlBOX. So instead of getting the usual mag card, which is front, back, and inside pages, this is an 8-page, almost magazine of the girls, all featured. And each curlBOX member got a different cover. So my cover features Girlish Curls, Peace Presley. And Let's see what's inside. It says December 2012, Glam, your glam guide for New Year's Eve 2012. And you see a letter from the editor as usual, and it's talking about some of the products inside the box. And we see some of the pictures from the photo shoot. And you have here my leak, Shari J. And then you have, I'm trying to get their names right because I don't know the other two girls. And then you have Peace Presley and Ebony Clark on both sides. So, Ebony Clark and Peace Presley. Then on the back of the card, it says a special thanks to the curlBOX team. And it says, see you January 2013. Usual pink paper. And we have Eco Styler Olive Oil Gel. We all know about Eco Styler Gel. I already have a larger version of the original Eco Styler Gel, large version. I don't like to use gels in my hair because it forces me to wash my hair a lot more during the week. So I try to stay away from this. So I don't know if I'll be trying the Olive Oil Eco Styler Gel. Maybe I'll give it to someone. Someone I have in the room is excited to hear about me giving this away. So we'll move along. Then we have Isabel's Own, which is a company I've never heard of. And these are just some sulfate-free shampoos enriched with argan oil, which hydrates and detangles, cleanses, and moisturizes. We got 4 of those. And we also have an Indian Hemp and Tamanu Nubian Heritage Project. I gotta say that again. We also have an Indian Hemp and Tamanu with bamboo, manoi, and garlic extract. And this product is by Nubian Heritage to strengthen and grow hair treatment mask to prevent breakage for stronger hair. And finally, we have some Luster Seal Curl Max Curl Activator Moisturizer packets. I've gotten some curlMax products in my previous curl boxes. I haven't gotten around to trying any of them yet, so maybe my leak's trying to hint to me that I really need to try these products. So I'll be trying that maybe tomorrow because I have to wash my hair this weekend. And finally, on the inside of the box, we have the Sage Natural Cuticles coupon. Says curlBOX members VIP discount, 15% off in-store and online at www.sagenaturals.co, and it says 1 redemption per customer, cannot be combined with any other discounts. So unfortunately, I cannot share this coupon with you guys because I'll probably be using it for myself or to give as a gift to someone for Christmas or New Year's. But definitely head on over to Sage Natural Cuticles and see if there's anything that you like. Happy shopping. This was my first curlBOX unboxing video. I'm excited to try. There are 3 full-size products and of course 4 sample size products to try this month. I was very Proud of my friend Shari J for making it to the inside of the curlBOX mag card. Unfortunately, I did not get the one with her on the cover, but nonetheless, I'm sure some of you did. We all got different mag cards. Thank you for visiting my channel once again. I'm the Shopaholic, and thanks for watching.